Okay, so this is my 95 Corvette, and I just got this Mid-American Motor Works, the Corvette headlight harness kit. And what it does is, like when you're at car shows or in the garage for a significant amount of time, working on the car, cleaning the car, whatever, you're able to turn these lamps here on and off, so that way it'll save your battery. So I do not have the battery in the car right now, because I'm still trying to finish other projects. However, I wanted to show you real quick how I did this. Actually, let me grab my flashlight real quick. So the switch itself mounted on the inside of the fender, and then I ran it up and plugged it in up there, and then went underneath the frame right here, which was a tight squeeze for the connector. So you can see that. And then I went up, down in front of the air box, front of that air box, down, back onto the frame, up, and into that connector. Now I'm going to finish cleaning up the wires a little bit, but I just want to show you it's really quick, easy, and can look, somewhat factory. So I would recommend it. It's a really good thing to have for car shows and whatnot, so you're not killing your battery.